gonna be the thumbnail. Or this. Or this. Or this. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna review this Finding Dory World of Creativity set something. It's like a coloring or something activity set, and it says over 1,000 items, like 1,000 items. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening this and also reviewing it to you guys. I haven't opened it, it's brand new, and I got it just because I got high grades from school. So yeah, let's get started and open this thing. Okay, so I don't know where to open. Okay, it's big. I need scissors. Actually no. Actually yes. Oh, actually no. And finally we got it open. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is separated with the other piece of the hat, or I don't know, but let's get that's heavy. Okay, let's start with the easy parts. Okay, so this is the first part of it that I got out. It's just filled with markers, crayons. This is mini crayons. This is the crayons, and I don't know what this is, but yeah. Maybe that's a sticker. This over here is an art pad. It's a Finding Dory. And there is this pencil case over here. And like mini markers. This is stamps, foam stamps, and watercolor, foam brush, and like, what do you call this thing? Stencil. And these are just stickers. So let's start with this small piece. So what's inside here? Let's open this. I know you got my scissors, but these are my scissors for school. Okay, I really do not get now what these are. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. And I really do not know what they are. They look like stickers, but I'm not sure. Oh, they're the metallic stickers. Okay. I guess. Metallic. I'm not sure if it is the metallic sticker. I don't think it's a metallic sticker. And there's crayons, markers, like this marker, and a crayon, the mini crayon, and so about the background noise of our neighbors. So noisy. And now let's go to the exciting part, which is this big one. I'm excited for this. There. These are the foam stamps. They're like squishies. So there's this star stamp, like you can use this side or this side. This is a starfish actually. This one is like, I guess it's the water. And And last but not least, this shell. What? So this has seahorses, like bubbles from the water and other stuff. So that's a giant utensil. Okay, you can't just believe what I saw. You cannot believe what I saw. I don't know if you saw that. I'm not very sure. Okay, so let's take this brush first. And this brush looks like there's water inside. Because there's like bubbles. Look. There's this foam brush. So this is the brush that's this foam brush. I don't know. There's red, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple. So here is the foil stickers. This is metallic stickers.
These are?
These. Look, metallic. And the pencil case, this cute little Dory pencil case, guys. I'm in love with this little pencil case because it's so cute, and there's just a small space, but it's enough to fit all their pencils, colors, and markers, pens. Here they are. These are markers, the 5 mini markers. Okay, this is the exciting part. The big. It's gonna be the thumbnail. Or this. Or this. Or this. So many. It's a sticker. Next page, there's tons of stickers too. There's so many other stickers. Next page, stickers. Again, there's like numbers, letters. Look, numbers, letters, different things. So guys, this is the fourth page. Still a bunch of those stickers. Next page, you could draw on this page now, and on the other pages too, you could draw. The best thing, it's not color, because I really do not like coloring that much. I really want to do my own creativity, like drawing other things that I would love to draw. So yeah, and that's all what's inside this. So I'm gonna be playing with it right now. So bye guys. Before I say bye, I want to tell you guys to smash the like button, to comment down below, to subscribe, to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified to every video we